Good morning and welcome back to the Hood Table to all my hoodies. I hope you guys are having a wonderful start to your morning. Today is January 20th, 2022. It's a Thursday morning and we got some breaking news today, you guys. Now, you know that we have been covering the Cardi B versus Tasha K defamation trial. Tasha K has been under a lot of fire since the beginning of this trial because of all the defamation and slander and salacious rumors she has started spreading about Cardi B like 3 years ago. And again, today we have some breaking news, you guys. Now, let me put up my little disclaimer here, real quick, you guys. We gotta make sure we cover ourselves when we be doing our reviews sometime and our commentary sometime. But again, you guys, we got some breaking news regarding Tasha K. Now, we already know that she's been losing during this trial. It looks like she's been losing drastically. Her lawyers are constantly being admonished by the judge over the trial because basically what he said the other day was they act like they don't even know what to do in the courtroom, like they never tried a case before. But what I heard on the streets, yes, I said streets, is that her lawyers, even though this is a civil case, civil trial, that her lawyers are not civil lawyers, but more of like criminal lawyers. Now, I don't know how big of a difference that makes in the law world because I am no lawyer, law student, or anything. I took like Law 101, for like a few semesters, or law classes for like a few semesters when I was in college, way back in the day. So, I'm sure it is somewhat of a difference in training or learning or preparation or, school and everything like that when it comes to civil versus criminal, because it's a lot of technicalities that can come into place, when you're in the courtroom and trying to present a case to the jury, to try to get your client off. And in this case with Tasha K, again, her all her salacious lies and allegations and rumors without anything to um, back up her stories that she was spreading on her platform regarding Cardi B over the past 2 or 3 years. They are doing horrible. I can't even get it out. Horrible job. With this case, her attorneys. And then we come to find out, like late last night, I was watching somebody, I think it was the official King Payne. And shout out to the King Payne. He ventures over here sometimes to the Hood Table. But yeah, shout out to him. That was the first person who I saw talking about it. Then I saw other people talking about it. I got up this morning, other people was talking about it. But basically, the breaking news is that Tasha K, when she was going towards to Cardi B trying to sue her last year, she had made a post when she was losing her case, and she did lose that case. But she had made a post on social media, on the internet, regarding her attorney, the same attorney that she has now, the same attorney that's representing her now. She said on a public review site for her attorney. And again, her attorney name is Olga, and I can't really pronounce the last name, but I'll show you her last name here in a second. But first, I want to show you this real quick. She has gave her 1 star last year on June 5th, 2021, less than a year ago. And what she had wrote on this review for her attorney, after giving her 1 star, she said, "Will not use this attorney again. Very disappointed with this attorney. I hired her to represent me in a defamation case, but I will have to seek another attorney. Olga has on several occasions shown up to court unprepared and unfamiliar with the facts of the case. She advised me to file a countersuit, which I did, but it is clear now that that was not the best move. After advising me to countersue, she then doubled back and dropped several counts in the countersuit. So why did she advise me to file in the first place? At the last hearing, she was stuttering and tripping over her words, and it was embarrassing. An attorney is supposed to exude confidence in their client, but it's like she is not fighting to win the case. She just going through the motions and showing up to court. After paying her thousands of dollars over the past 3 years, this case has been dragging on. I'm no better off. I'm counting my losses and moving on. I will not be using this attorney again. And that is what Tasha K said June 5th, 2021, regarding her attorney, Oka. Now, what I'm also going to do here, you guys, I'm going to pull up the review site real quick because I want you guys to see some reviews regarding this attorney that was on the site before Tasha K even hired the attorney. So let me go over here. All right, this is one of the posts that's on here on this website. And I want to read this to you guys. And it's posted by Michael on June 19, 2020. And it is kind of fairly long, but just follow me. Just follow me. Now, first of all, there were several reviews on here before Tasha K even hired this attorney that I feel like she should have probably seen beforehand. Like, sometimes certain things that you do, you should get good references or check their reviews. You know, talk to people who have worked with them before or talk to people that they might have represented before, you know, before you put your hard-earned money into them. Now, this first review that we're going to read, I'm not reading all of it because it's really long. I just want you to get the gist of his review. He gave her a 1 star just like Tasha K did, and he titles it Out of Patient. First, I didn't get a phone call from her for a month after I paid her retainer while she knew that I had an active warrant for me and had already been detained by the Border Patrol. She didn't call me until I repeatedly called her office to complain. Then she told me to text her when I got out of jail so that she could go over my bond and pretrial papers. She didn't return my text. She didn't return several emails until I contacted her on a new possible client for over a month after I bonded out. She said she had been sick for a month and that she was getting busy with other clients or get busy getting to other clients. Pretrial is giving me a hard time for traveling throughout the country for work. I forwarded all of our pretrial court messages that they sent me to Olga. She told me she scheduled a call with me before the weekend, 3 weekends ago, so she could look over the packet before I got it notarized, which had to be postmarked by June 10th. She didn't call me. I emailed her stating that I had it postmarked and sent and that the court was giving me until July 3rd for her to get my bond conditions amended via judge in order to allow me to travel outside Georgia for work. She didn't respond. I emailed her demanding a refund so that I can switch attorneys. She didn't respond. I called her office to leave a message. She didn't respond. Y'all get where he's going here, right? Right? So let's read another one. Let me scroll up. Okay, here's another one. Posted by Jamie, 1 star, January 29, 2021. Do not hire this lawyer. Terrible experience. It seems that she used to be good in 2018 as I see some reviews, but something must have happened in her personal life. No way to reach her, phone calls with no answers, phone calls with no voicemail. We exchanged approximately 5 emails and she filed a simple court document and she charged me $5,000. When I pushed back because there was no way to contact her, she pushed back with, "You signed a contract with no refunds." I have a daughter in law school and I am a professional woman myself. I have never seen this type of unprofessionalism and lack of attention to a case. Be careful before you hire her or her firm. Let's scroll up some more. Another 1 star. Well, 2 more 1 stars. Let's read the top one first. Doesn't know the law. This woman is a disgrace. She doesn't know the law when it pertains to child predators, apparently, and what is considered defamation or public record. Absolutely a disgrace in the courtroom and undeniably unresponsive and horrendous. The one below that, another 1 star, posted by Anonymous. Both of these were anonymous. I hired her and fired her. I hired her and she quickly took my very large retainer fee. She never responded to calls and emails, but the worst part is she filed my initial paperwork with the incorrect case filed under someone else's name, a mistake that I had to bring to her attention. After several months of being uncommunicative, I decided to fire her. I received no refund. Consumer beware. Now, there's other negative reviews on here. There's the one from Tasha K, Latasha Kibi, as you can see there. But check this out. Look at all these excellent reviews after Tasha K's. After it went public, after somebody broke the news that Tasha K had made a bad review on her attorney, we all of a sudden got 3 brand new reviews back to back, giving her 5 stars. Now, could these be Olga making these reviews herself? Or some of her people's? Or could these really be clients of hers that's just sticking up for her? But let's read them, okay? Let's start at the top. Okay. This one, it says posted by Crazy Two Checks, 5 stars, January 20th, 2022, which is today. Tasha K's lawyer is the bomb. Thank you, Olga. You are making life better for the rest of the world by being as half-assed as you can be, Tasha K's attorney. Tasha is getting exactly what she deserves. Half-assed service for being a half-assed human being. Oh my God. I thought this was going to be a good review for the attorney. I guess it is in a sort of way, but basically what they're trying to say is Tasha K is getting what she deserved. Good job, Olga. I hope Tasha loses her case against Cardi B and pays her millions. After the trial, maybe you can represent Antonio Brown of the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Your client, Tasha K, put his naked pictures on his website without his permission, and we're going to say allegedly because I don't know nothing about that. She needs to be sued for that too. Give Mr. Brown a call. I'm quite sure he could use your services. Tasha K ain't shit. That's what they ended with. Now this one says, posted by Eli on Today, 5 stars. Olga is the bomb. I hired Olga back in 2018. Olga is the best lawyer that she can be. Her dedication, her loyalty, her understanding, and her means to make a way out of no way. She is not only a great lawyer, but she is a great caring person in her personal life. Olga has answered many of my calls non-related to my case. We have spent... I'm not even going. Y'all can read the rest of that. Pause my video. Y'all can read the rest of that. Because I really think that people are just trying to overcast that negative light that Tasha K posted last year that, again, made breaking news just recently. Now, I'm going to read this last one. It's a little shorter. Posted by Aaron Today, 5 stars. Excellent. Olga was hired for my father's case back in 2021, and I'm glad we chose her. We were a bit nervous, but her confidence and dedication helped. Profession and passion are a great combination in which it won our case. So, before that, though, before Tasha K's, it was a lot of negative 1 stars. And then after Tasha K's review, which is right here on the screen again, all of a sudden, it's a whole bunch of positive reviews for this attorney. So y'all let me know what y'all think about that. Now, what I am going to say here, you know, you guys, we have been reviewing the case for quite some time. Since it started. Basically, well, I've been reviewing this whole situation since it started, since the Cardi B and Star Marie, you know, review with Tasha K. So I've been covering this for a while. And then, of course, the trial since it started. But from what Tasha K is saying, and from what some of those other negative posts are saying, and from what we're seeing, you know, being displayed in the courtroom from her attorney, it's easy to believe that she is not somebody that you probably want to hire. Now, even the judge admonished them the other day saying, you guys are acting like you never tried a case. Like, what's the problem here? But my bigger thing is, or concern is, Tasha, if you felt this way last year in June, why is she still your attorney? Why? I mean, when she posted that post on social media, she had to even know that her attorney might see it. I'm surprised that her attorney kept her as a client after she posted that on social media. Because this wasn't posted last week or a few weeks ago or a few months ago. This was posted in June of 2021. This is baffling, you guys. Really baffling. Tasha K is obviously very, very, very disappointed in her attorneys and how they are representing her. But ain't no way I would have continued dishing out money to this attorney that I have no faith in. Ain't no way. You said she wasn't working on your best behalf. You know, when you were filing a suit against Cardi, when you was doing your countersuit against Cardi B, you made a public, you were bold enough to, and we all know TK is bold as hell. That's why she is where she is now, in the hot seat. But, I mean, you bold enough to put that post on a public review site But you're not bold enough to tell her to get to stepping, and you'll find another attorney. Even without no refund, I would have got me another attorney. And we all can see how this is going down for Tasha K right now. It's horrible. What she did was horrific to Cardi B, and you know what? Maybe this is karma. Maybe this is payback. You know, they say karma is a bitch. You know, Tasha K, she didn't want to settle out of court. She didn't want to show Cardi B any kind of mercy. Even when she was seeing what this was doing to Cardi B, how it was damaging Cardi B for all these years. So maybe this is just payback. Karma's a bitch. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know how you feel about this whole situation. Let me know what you would have done if you felt that way. A whole year, almost a whole year before you knew that you were going to be facing Cardi B in court, again, and potentially had to come out of pocket millions of dollars to pay this woman for all your salacious lies, rumors, allegations, and that's what she be saying when she be turning that wine bottle up. Allegedly, allegedly. Uh, Anyway, you guys, I'm about to get out of here. We know that yesterday when we was covering the trial, that the judge basically told Tasha's attorneys, y'all need to get back out there. Y'all need to get back in the huddle. Y'all need to regroup. Y'all need to come up with a better game plan, because the judge basically threw out everything, every exhibit that they tried to enter or present to the jury the other day. Different videos trying to show Cardi in a bad light, trying to call her racist, and they try to show the video of her throwing the shoe at, Nicki Minaj, a few years ago at the Meta. But yeah, the judge, he threw all that stuff out right now. But I don't know how much longer we got in this case. It'll probably be over by the middle of next week. Maybe sooner than that. Shoot, the way that it's going right now. But I don't know, TK. I don't know what to tell you now. I mean, it's too late now. It's probably too late to even try to settle. It's definitely too late to get you a different lawyer. But bad judgment call. Very, very bad judgment call when it comes to Tasha K. You've been making a lot of bad judgment calls for some time now. And yeah, it has garnered you 1 million subscribers and a whole bunch of money, big old houses, nice cars, nice clothes, nice furniture, walk-in closets, all that kind of stuff. But this is what happens when you continue to make bad judgments without thinking about the consequences or repercussions that it might cause you and your entire family. Anyway, on that note, you guys, we'll be back later this evening. Court resumes today, so we'll be back later this evening to discuss what's going down in court today with Cardi B versus Tasha K. Defamation trial, day 7. Stay safe, be blessed, remain vigilant at all times. And I know y'all already liked and shared this video, you guys, but just in case you did not like and share this video, please like and share this video for your girl, all my hoodies. Please make sure you got that notification bell hit so you don't miss any of my shows. And stay safe, be blessed, remain vigilant at all times, and always remember to keep it hood. Bye.